Lack of sleep, stress, sun exposure, and unhealthy lifestyle are the main causes of dark circles. Antifungal and antiviral properties of castor oil helps to get rid from dark circles. Castor oil also contains omega-3 fatty acids which hydrate the skin and reduce the discoloration of the skin. Here are the 3 methods of using castor oil for dark circles. The first method is to apply castor oil directly under your eyes. Take some drops of castor oil and apply it under your eyes. Massage it with a light hand for few minutes. Leave it for overnight and in the morning wash the face with normal water. Repeat this process regularly until you get rid from dark circles. The second method of using castor oil for dark circles is to apply a mixture of castor oil and milk. Add equal quantities of castor oil and milk into a bowl. Mix them well and apply this mixture under your eyes. Leave it for an hour. Wash your face with lukewarm water. Repeat this process daily until you get relief from dark circles. The third and final method is to use a mixture of castor oil and coconut oil. In a bowl, mix equal quantities of castor oil and coconut oil. Apply this mixture under your eyes and massage it gently for 2 minutes. Leave the application for overnight and rinse it off with lukewarm water in the morning. Repeat this process regularly until you get rid from dark circles.